I'm sure I make money with the Reddit. So first, Reddit, what's it called? The Reddit forum, I guess, the beer money, and beer money tells you how to make money with apps and stuff. So you go, and the payments are real. So people can make like 100 from like a month with Turks, swag bucks, and so it's like side hustles you can make. They tell you which apps or whatever they can do to make money. It's pretty cool. Videos, and you just join right here, create a post, join. And you can share how to make money. Next is slave labor. You would just post like the task. Someone will post a task and then they want someone to do it for really cheap. Or you create an offer like what like services you can offer, and then after that you can like ask for a payment and make sure you don't get scammed. So read on the side, and that's how you make money with Reddit. You can either use the beer money, or you can try looking for work with slave labor. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye.